Let us see some important 2-mark questions given in 4th unit. Here, the first question is define the term sustainable development. Sustainable development aims at optimum use of natural resources with high degree of reusability, minimum wastage and least generation of toxic byproducts and maximum productivity. So this is the definition of sustainable development. The second question is define rainwater harvesting and its advantages. What is rainwater harvesting means? It is a technique used to increase the recharge of groundwater by capturing and storing rainwater by constructing special water harvesting structure like duck wells. So this is the definition. And what are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? That is, first point is raise in groundwater level. Second one is reduction of soil erosion and floods. Third one is increased availability of water from wells. Third question is what is called environmental ethics? Environmental ethics means it refers to the issues, principles and guidelines relating to human interaction with their environment. So this is the definition for environmental ethics. The next slide is what is fourth question? What is wasteland? Already we have studied from the big question. What is wasteland means? The land which is not in use, unproductive, unfit for cultivation and another economic uses. So this is the definition for wasteland. And what are the types of wasteland? There are two types of wasteland. One is cultivable, the other one is uncultivable wasteland. Fifth question, what is called e-waste? E-waste means all type of electronic and electrical waste is called as e-waste. Example, computer, mobile phone, fax machine, etc. Sixth question is define consumerism. Consumerism refers to the consumption of resources by the people. This is the definition for consumerism. The seventh question is define greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect means the progressive warming up of the earth surface due to blanketing effects of man-made carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So this is the greenhouse effect. The next question is what is nuclear energy? Energy released during nuclear reaction is called nuclear energy. Energy released during nuclear reaction is called nuclear energy. Ninth question, what is nuclear holocaust? It's mean destruction of biodiversity by nuclear equipments and nuclear bombs. So this is called a nuclear holocaust. The 10th question is what define acid rain? Rain containing relatively high concentration of acids produced by sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and other such gases that result from the combustion of fossil fuels and from certain industrial processes. Thank you.